Hi guys! Today let's look at the spinning animation using the rubber Monkey D Luffy from One Piece as an example. Create a file. I choose the square template, frame per second to 12, duration to 2. I already have a basic illustration that we will work on today. First, let's make a basic skeleton to draw the draft. Create a new track, fold the panel into a flipbook and choose a bright color. Start tracing the face, the line of the spine, shoulders, hips, the middle of the legs and arms. The layer with the illustration can be turned off. Okay, let's start the animation. In the next frame, I want to draw a counteraction. To do this, draw a small squat. In the next frame, the squat increases, and we also begin to rotate Luffy's shoulders. Next frame. Here the shoulders are already turning in the other direction, the spinning begins, the legs straighten, and the arms begin to swing. On the next frame, we create a spiral. So far, it consists of an intersection of two lines. To make it easier to navigate, let's duplicate the first frame and apply full duration. And also apply opacity. So, now we need to watch the movement of the shoulders very carefully. On the next frame, we draw two intersections. The body grows upward. On the next frame, another intersection. Let's look at the first preview for now. It's very fast, but the movement is roughly outlined. Now let's choose a bright color and mark the right shoulder on all frames with intersections. Let's look at the preview. Okay. Now let's draw the missing parts on the existing frames. And one more preview. Moving on. It's time to add intermediate frames. Add a frame before the first twist. And draw a turn. Next, draw a frame between 1 and 2 intersections. I draw just above the point with the second intersection. A small preview. Next, another frame between the 2 and 3 intersections. Preview. Great! Now let's add a few frames at the end. Draw another frame just above the last one. The arms start to fall down. Next, another frame just below. The arms are down. Another frame, the body stays in place. The head goes down a little. The arms are pointing in the other direction. Next, the frame is almost the same. The head is just a little lower. The arms are pointing down. And another frame, the head is just a little higher. This will give us a small bounce. Let's watch the preview. Let's fix the arms a little. Great, the base for the animation is ready. Now let's go to a new track, choose a different color, and move on to drawing the hat. Let's temporarily turn on our illustration and outline the hat. Now we can turn off the illustration. Let's draw the hat on each layer. It's important to keep track of the direction of Luffy's head movement. At the very top, he has turned his head back. Let's look at the preview. Okay. Now I want to add thickness to the arms. At the moment of scrolling, I make the arms unevenly thicker to enhance the effect of rotation. Let's look at the preview. It's a little strange for now, but that's enough. Let's finish drawing the animation of the hat for the last frames. The hat moves after the head, creating a bounce. Let's look at the preview. So, the draft is finished. I'm moving on to the cleanup stage. Let's turn on the illustration. Group all the drawn layers and apply transparency. Let's start with the jacket. On a new track, I outline it. Now the layer with the illustration can be turned off. On each subsequent layer, we outline the vest, focusing on the draft. We try to make the outline clear and even. So, we've reached the frames with the twisting. What's important? The body is voluminous, so we outline the front part with thickness and not just one line, as in the draft. Accordingly, we outline the rest of the frames according to this logic. Let's watch the preview. Let's move on. Let's go draw the shorts. Everything is quite simple here. We draw them on each frame, focusing on our draft. In the meantime, I will take this opportunity to remind you about the possibility of sponsorship on the channel. This is a great opportunity to get bonuses and support my channel. Details in the profile. So let's look at the preview. It's time to draw the hat. Here, let's speed up the video and just watch the process. It took me about 5 minutes. Preview. Now clean up the head. It took me 3 minutes, and we'll speed up the video. Here's what we got. Next up are the arms. It took me about 8 minutes. And here's what I got. I experimented a little with the shape. Now let's outline the shorts' edges. Let's go. It took me about 1.5 minutes. Clean up the legs. I spent about 5 minutes drawing. It's pretty simple here. Next up is the hair. There was no draft here, so we'll draw the final outline right away, focusing on the head. It took 4 minutes. And here's what we got. Next, the filling stage awaited me. I corrected the outline here and there, and this is the animation I got. Be sure to share your work and tag me on Instagram. I hope you found it interesting or useful. See you.